Hi, it's Belinda Weaver here from Copyright Matters, and I've got another copywriting tip for you today. Now, if you've been a copywriter for a little while, or even if you're just beginning, you might have heard a client ask you, I'd like my copy to be more exciting. I want it to pop from the page. I want it to be punchier and snappier. We all know how we feel about those comments because they don't tell you much on what you need to change. But that's what this tutorial is all about. If you get a request like that, it's actually really simple to make a change to your copywriting to make it more exciting. And it's all to do with your sentence lengths. So if you have the same lengths of sentences for every single sentence, you create a rhythm in your copy that's quite predictable and a little bit boring because it just goes on and on and on, and no one wants to listen to that. No one wants to read that either. So what you need to do to make your copywriting more exciting is to switch up the lengths of your sentences. Some short, some long, somewhere in the middle. And one-word sentences are a thing. They're definitely a thing. So that's what you need to do to make your copywriting more exciting. You need to switch up the rhythm. You need to switch up the eyeballs and the brains that are reading your words. So they're kind of caught off guard. And when they're kind of caught off guard as they're reading, then they pay more attention. So your readers will pay more attention to the words in your copy if the sentences aren't all the same length. Mix up short sentences, one word or more, medium length sentences, maybe 5 to 8 words, or long sentences, 10 plus words in a sentence. When you do that, you will create a more interesting and exciting rhythm in your copywriting. It's that simple. If you like more copywriting tips, check back here on YouTube. I'm creating regular videos as often as I can. You can also check out my blog, copyrightmatters.com/blog. They're all there. Hope to see you back here.